Hi everyone, welcome to the session. Today we are going to discuss about building information modeling. This will be amazing experience to you. I welcome you all for today's session. So in this session, you will learn a lot of things with regards to building information modeling and how this building information modeling important for quantity surveying profession. Okay, so this is a comprehensive session. Okay, so you can learn a lot of things and you can motivate yourself to learn more about building information modeling and uh, have a profession with regards to this building information modeling. Please enjoy this session. This will be an amazing experience to you all. Okay, welcome you all for today's meeting. So before we start today meeting, today's session, okay, I will do a little magic. Okay, then it will be very interesting for you. Okay, so I will start with the magic. Okay, then I will continue with the session. Okay, again, thank you very much for your kind participation for the session. Okay, so please sit back, relax, and watch this magic. Okay, so this is the modern quantity survey. Okay, so please enjoy. I will share my screen. Then I will show you CubiCost 5D software. Okay, so then I will show you how measure a big building within 5 minutes. Okay, so this is the magic. Then you can understand the importance of this CubiCost 5D software. So this is the latest technological advancement available for quantity surveys. Okay, I will share my screen. Then I will show you the magic. Okay, so please sit back, relax and watch. Okay, now time is 8:09. Okay, we will start the uh, activity at 8:10. Okay, then you can realize the importance of this modern technology. Okay, so I will share my screen. This is amazing. Okay, so this is CubiCost 5D Beam software. You can see the interface of CubiCost 5D Beam software. Then I will go to new. Then you can enter project name. Okay, this is project one. Okay, the most important thing of this CubiCost 5D beam software is it is embedded with the measurement rule. Okay, all the quantities will come according to the measurement rule. That is the beauty of CubiCost 5D beam software. Okay, so I will select the measurement rule. I will go with NRM2. Then my unit is metric. Then I will click OK. Okay, I started this session activity at 8:10. Okay, please sit back, relax and watch. This is the modern technological advancement available for quantity surveys. Okay, then I will go to this beam model. I will click on this beam model. Then I will click on this import Revit file. Okay, then I will click on this fold icon. Then I will go to my desktop. Then I will click on this model. Then I will click on open and click open again. Then you can see all the BIM data will be imported into this software. Okay, so this is the technology you have to get familiar with. Okay, this is the technology you have to learn in order to survive in the future industries. Okay, otherwise you can't survive in the future industries because now industries slowly and solidly adapting to building information modeling from the 2D drawings. 2030 back, we use physical drawings. Okay, after that, uh, we use AutoCAD plus Excel. Okay, so now this is the BIM era. Okay, so I have visited few companies in Oman. New drawings will come with building information modeling. Okay, they receive new models. Okay, so as quantity surveys, you have to have very good knowledge to measure those buildings. Okay, so with this CubiCost 5D beam software, you can do it. Okay. Now time is 8:11. All the data will be imported into this CubiCost software. Okay. So this is very important. You have to get familiar with this technology. Okay. Otherwise, it will be too late for you. Okay. Now you can see, I will click next. Then you can see beam, column, slab, wall, isolated foundation, curtain wall, mullions. Okay, so I will click next again. Okay, this is very simple. All the data will be imported into this CubiCost 5D software. Okay, so now time is 8:12. Okay, within 2 minutes, you did some great things. Okay, you have to get familiar with this. Okay, otherwise it will be too late. Then click OK. Now you can see this model. Okay, this is the 3D model. Okay, this is very important. Okay, with this you can go further. Okay, industry is changing. Okay, as quantity surveyors we have to get adapt to these technologies. Okay, now you can see this is the building. Okay, this is the building. Then I will click here and click all floors. Okay, then I will click here and click all elements. Okay, now you can see a comprehensive building. Actually, this is one of my students' work. Okay, then now now time is 8:13. Okay, I will go to quantity. Then I will click calculate. Then I will click force calculate, and I will click all floors and click OK. Within few seconds, you can quantify all the elements in this building. This is the technology. Okay, so now as quantity surveys you will have many questions. Are these quantities accurate? How you can ensure the accuracy of these quantities? You will have lot of questions. I will answer you one by one. Okay, if you go to this view quantity by category, and if you select this project one and click OK, you can see all the quantities here: column, wall, curtain wall, doors, windows, wall opening, all the quantities. Then you can click all wall, then you can click certain wall. Okay, so this is a basic wall, this one. Okay, then I will click on revisely check with model. Okay, so you can revisely check your quantities with your model. If you click on this quantity, you can find where you have got this quantity. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, with this you can verify your quantities. Okay, but this is this enough? This is not enough. Clearly this is not enough, because we are quantity surveyors. Okay, we have to double check everything. Okay, because this is very risky uh, job. Okay, how you can ensure the uh, accuracy of these quantities? Okay, it is very simple. You can go to select. Okay, so I will get whole model again like this. Then you can select particular wall. Okay, I have selected this wall. Then I will go to this view expression. Okay, then I will go to this 3D deduction. Okay, so you can have a comprehensive understanding about your quantity. Okay, so this is my wall, this is my original quantity, this is deducted the window, this is deducted window, and this is deducted column. Okay, so like that you can have a comprehensive elaboration about your quantity. Okay, is this enough? It's still not enough. It's still not enough. Okay, as quantity surveys we are familiar with what? We are familiar with TDS. Okay, so we have to have TDS. Okay, how to get it? It is very simple. It is very simple. Please observe very carefully. You can go to report. Okay, and click OK. Then you can go to this quantity measurement worksheet. Quantity measurement worksheet. Okay, then you can click on set element type and quantity. So I have selected both. Okay, so you can select anything. Okay, I need volume and area. I will pick these two and click OK and click OK again. Okay, so you can have a comprehensive quantity breakdown like this in TDS format. Even you can't get this by using Costex software. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, this is what you have to learn. Okay, this is how you have to prepare for the future technological advancements. Okay, so this is the magic. Okay, so then I will continue with the process. Before everything, I will introduce myself. Okay, then you can have a very good understanding about me. Okay, so please understand after this course, you can get the international recognized certificate. Okay, Global Company is the fifth largest construction software provider in the world. Okay, so they have a lot of technology. So CubiCost is their quantity surveying component. They have MagiCAD. MagiCAD is like Revit software. Then they have G-Site for construction management, and they build some robot I items, and it is very large company. Okay, and this Cubicos 5D BIM software is the number one quantity surveying software in Asian region. In Sri Lanka, a lot of companies using this Cubicos 5D BIM software. Recently, our oldest consultancy firm QServe Qatar purchased this CubiCost 5D BIM software. Okay, so Mr. Samir Pereira, the country manager of QServe Saudi, participated for my last CubiCost 5D BIM training. Okay, so this is very popular in Sri Lanka. Okay, do you know what are the surviving companies in Sri Lanka during this financial crisis? Okay, one company is International Construction Consortium. Okay, so they have been using this software since 2019. Okay, so this is very important. And Sunken Overseas, VICA, XCOM, CCMPL, ARQS, CMS, lot of companies using this because 5D BIM software as their uh, quantity serving software. Okay, so think about this. Okay, ICC have survived in this financial crisis basically due to these new technologies. Okay, they have completed 30 tenders by using this Cubicos 5D BIM software. So this is very, very important for your future. Okay, now uh, before everything, I will introduce myself. Okay, I will use my LinkedIn profile and my resume website to introduce myself. Okay, so I will share my screen. Then you can get a very good understanding about me. Okay, so my name is Tilini Vitarama. I'm 5D BIM quantity survey. So I have a couple of companies. My first company is Tusker International, Oman. I'm the director of Tusker International. So my Sri Lankan company is Technosaga City. And I'm currently working as a 5D BIM quantity surveyor. Apart from that, I am technical representative, education representative of CubiCost software in this Middle East region. Okay, so I will click on my resume website. Okay, so this is very good insight for you. Okay, instead of having PDF CV, have this resume website. I developed this software website by using Bootstrap technology. Okay, so if you click on this, you can go to my LinkedIn. Okay, if you click on this, you can go to my Facebook. Okay, so this is me. Okay, so this is about me. I'm BSc graduate from Sir John Kotlal Defense University, and I have trained up to now, I think, more than 1,500. Okay, I have to update this. Okay, I have involved in more than 25 projects. Okay, so I'm teaching this key because 5D BIM software and Costex, PlanShift, Bluebeam View. Okay, then I trained Autodesk, Navisworks, and Revit. Okay, so previously I was technical manager for this ArchiCAD, Graphics of ArchiCAD, the oldest building information modeling software in the world. Okay, so these are some professional experience of mine. I started my career in access engineering. Then I have worked as a project coordinator in LinkedIn engineering. Then after that, I joined QServe Qatar, then CCIS Private Limited as a country manager of Cubicos 5D BIM software. And I have completed a lot of projects, including SoftLogic Flowmark, IAHS building Caravella PTA, then Bailey project. famous Bailey project in Sri Lanka. Okay, I measured all the reinforcement with one of my students, and this is about me. And these are few project portfolios of mine. Okay, so this is 5D beam models I have created, and these are some 3D modeling works of mine. And I have trained a lot of students, especially I trained, you can see this picture, this is Sunken Overseas staff, this is CCMPL, this is famous VICM, this is lecturers of University of Morocco. Then I have trained a lot of community service with regards to this CubiCost 5D training program. And these are some personal achievements of mine. So currently I'm working as a uh, VP membership at IQSSL Toastmaster Club. So I'm level 3 Toastmaster, and this is my country representative certificate for CubiCost, and these are some certificates for Graphics of Archicad, and these are some sports activities I have involved with. Okay, so that is about me. So if you have any questions, okay, please feel free to ask. Okay, so lecturers profile. Okay. Um, if you have any question, please feel free to ask. Okay. And I have few more things to share. Okay, then this is for actually my credibility. Okay, then these things very important. Okay, so this is my technical representative certificate for Middle East region. Okay, you can see Claude and Seal is here. And I have conduct some CPD session, one CPD session for SLQS Oman. Okay, so it is a highlight of my career. Uh, then I have organized the first ever beam competition for Sri Lankan quantity surveys, collaboratively with KDU. So this is for Institute of Quantity Survey Sri Lanka. So I'm doing the uh, digital measurement part for their MEP module. And this is CPD session I have conducted for Cyber QS. And this is some highlights from IQSSL Toastmasters Club. This is the training I have conducted for lecturers of University of Moratuwa. And this is VICM, this is IJBR, this is Sunken Overseas, this is CCMPL. I have trained, I think, almost all the consultancy firms, Sri Lanka, ICC, QSER, CLAC, Moonstone, everything. Okay, so these are some trainings I have done. This is my first batch of QS software all-in-one. This is a final year lecture for KDU students. This is my Revit and Navisworks course. Okay, so I quickly explain all these things because it is a little bit important for my credibility, but it's boring, no? Okay, I will stop that. Then you can you have got very good understanding about me. Okay, but before I move into these theoretical parts, okay, I will show you some practical works have been done by using this Cubicos 5D beam software. Then you can understand the ability of this software. Okay, so I have completed lot of projects by using this Cubicos 5D beam software. I will share my screen and I will show you some testimonials. Okay, then you can understand the importance of this software. Okay, so uh, actually this is very important. Okay, because uh, after learning this you have to become an entrepreneur. Okay, understand? So now in Sri Lanka we are suffering from financial crisis. Okay, so we have to find solution to get rid of that financial crisis. Okay, we need more business personals. Okay, we don't need employees. Okay, so this is the correct market we have to approach. Okay, we have to create a Sri Lankan brand with the technology. Okay, that's why I'm training this software. Okay, so after learning this, you have to think about a business. Okay, so this is very new area. Okay, lot of people haven't touched this area, after learning this technology, think about the business. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, because this is much more advanced than plan shift, Blueberry Meat Review, or Costex, or any other quantity surveying software available in the world. There are many, Cato, Candy, lot of software, but this is the best. Okay, I will explain why. I will go to start. Okay, these are few projects I have completed. Okay, this is one recent project I have completed this with CubiCost 5D software. Okay, you can complete the project single-handedly. Okay, no need many QSs if you learn this software. So I did this by my own. Okay, so this is my software now. Any other person can't work with this, no? This is my personal work. Okay, I will show you. You can do this single-handedly if you learn this software. Okay, so this is a big building. This is upcoming project in Oman. Okay, so I have completed 16 buildings single-handedly within 4 days. Okay, so this is very important. This is very important. Okay, if I go to desktop, okay, I will show you single-handedly. Okay, US software masterclass. Please give me a moment. I will show you the projects. Okay, this is very important. This is the future. Okay, after this, you have you will think in a different way. Okay, so you can see I have completed all these buildings. Okay, you can see these are the images. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, I will show you some. Okay, then you can understand. Okay, in Sri Lanka I have completed big projects. Okay, building C, you can see. Okay, this is very important. Okay, I will train my students to measure perfectly, model perfectly with this CubiCost 5D beam software. Okay, so there are some Oman projects. Okay, then I will show you one Sri Lankan project as well. Uh, this one IIHS building might be. This is very important. Okay, this is the future. Okay, after learning this, you will think differently. Okay, this is very important. To take a little bit time to open this project. This is a mega scale project completed in Sri Lanka, IIHS building. Okay, complex design, but easily quantified by using this CubiCost 5D beam software. This is the future. Okay, so until I open this particular building, okay, I will invite one of my student to explain his experience with this CubiCost 5D beam software. Okay, I would like to invite Mr. Esha Nakalanka. Okay, okay. My project opened. Okay, first I will show you the project. Then I will uh, invite Mr. Esha. Okay, then he will share his experience with you all. Okay, so you have to understand how you can use this software in the industry. Okay, so this is IIHS project. You can see this is a comprehensive building. Okay, all the things you can model by using this CubiCost 5D software. Okay, I will select beams, slabs, and staircase only. Then you can understand how to model this. Okay, you can see Everything can be modeled very easily by using this CubiCost 5D software. Okay, so this is a mega scale project. Like this, you can measure anything by using this CubiCost 5D software. Okay, so now I will uh, invite Mr. Shana Kalanka to share his experience with this 5D beam software. Okay, so Eshan, uh, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, then Eshan will share his experience. So Eshan is one of my good student. Okay, he participated for my Revit training and key because 5D beam training as well. Okay, now he's working as a quantity surveyor in VICM Private Limited. Okay, very modern company in Sri Lanka. Okay, now he will share his experience with you all with regards to this key because 5D beam software. Over to you, Eshan. This is very
Thank you,
practical
Mr.
session. Okay, okay.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Dillon. Mm, I'm working as a training quantity survey of VICM Consultant Private Limited in Sri Lanka. Uh, because of this CubiCost software, I have a chance to work with two mega projects in Sri Lanka. Those are the ITC1 project and the Port City project. The I'll show some example about the Port City project.
Yes, you can share screen.
Yeah. Mm. This is the building of the in the Port City. Uh, this is a substation building. It's provide the all electrical supply for the whole Port City. Uh, this this is a provisional work because of this. The work is not prepared in the previous. After the construction, in the construction during the construction, this is a now already constructed work. Uh, so the payments of all finishers and reinforcement pay on measured quantities of cubical software. I'll show the model of the this building. Firstly, I show the TS model. TS model, under this TS software, you can measure the all finishes, concrete, and all structural and architectural quantities. This is the same view of the real project and the 5D model. We can easily measure the quantity by this. You can see only 33 seconds for the measure the whole building. So this is the all quantities of the building, staircases, room wise, floor finishes, all the quantities measured by the cubic software. And also we measure the reinforcement quantities of the building also by the TRB software. This is the TRB model. You can see also the same view, the real building and the model. Mhm. As a quantity surveyors, we know the how many time go to measure this the all reinforcement quantities, but using the this TR TRB software, we can measure very quickly and very easily. I'll show the column about. If we get this column, we can easily get the all quantities. Firstly, we click the column and calculate it. After that, see also the 3D view of the column. This is the 3D view. You can see how it arranged. All the links, all the main bars arranged perfectly and 100% accurately. So if we need the rebar schedule also, we can click here and the rebar layout also we can get by the CubiCost software. Uh, and also if we get the slab, you can see the arrangement of the the slab reinforcement. If we go to the 3D view, you can see how it arranged. The wall reinforcement arranged by automatically by the software. You can see the deduction of the footings and beams. It also automatically deduct under this software. We know if we measure it manually, we have to deduct manually, calculate, measure, and deduct manually the whole deduction areas. But using this CubiCost software, it automatically deduct the all areas. The Port City project also paid all payments of the for the IPC and variation also by the CubiCost software. Measure all the reinforcement measurement, finishes, concrete measurement, all are. So there is a time also very few. Only within 2 days we can completely prepare the whole model of the building. Within 2 days we can start provide all quantities, reinforcement quantities, and also the structural, architectural, every quantities by the software. It's a good chance for me, and also I think you can get this chance with the course. This is my best experience, and I lucky to work with the CubiCost software and and also the VSEM company. I got that chance because of the CubiCost software. I think that's enough. Thank you,
Yeah.
Mr. Tilna.
Okay. Yeah. Come, Ishan. So he's one of my best student from University of KDU. And see, so he is very young quantity survey, and he did a very good and very important task for his company. Okay, so this is the future. Okay, now in Sri Lanka, a lot of companies using this because software. And if you go to Middle East region, China Railway, last month they have purchased 30 because software. One of a couple of my students got jobs in China Railway because of this Cubicos qualification. And this is very important. Okay, and you have to learn this, and you have to uh, get this qualification. Okay, based on building information qualification, a lot of people got jobs in UAE, especially in companies like Kio. So I have a very good student from University of Morocco, Mr. Hirumal Kaushalya. He got job in Kio because of his BIM knowledge. Okay, now he's working as a BIM quantity surveying KEO. Okay, so this is very important and you have to learn this. Okay, now without explaining any theories, okay, I will show you some practical examples for efficiency of this cubicle software. Okay, many people thinks this is a building information modeling software. Okay, many people thinks you need the building information model in order to measure elements by using cubicles 5D beam software. Okay, it is not true. Okay, so this software is like a combination of plan shift, blue beam view, costex. Okay, if you have JPG drawing, you can import that JPG drawing to this cubicle software and you can measure on top of that. If you have PDF drawing, you can easily import that PDF drawing into this cubicle software and you can measure it very easily. Okay, even if you have AutoCAD drawing, you can use AI functions like auto identification function and create a 3D model on top of that. Then you can get all the quantities according to the measurement rule, and even you can prepare the PDS sheets. Okay, please observe very carefully. This is the modern quantity surveying. Okay, I will go to this. I will go and click on new. Okay, then I will start a new project. Okay, this is trial one. Okay, then I will select this measurement tool, then I will click OK. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to measure AutoCAD drawing by using this cubicle software. It is very easy. Okay, so first you can go to this plus sign drawing manager. Okay, then you can go to your local list. Then you can go to these drawings. Okay, then you can select these three drawings, first three drawings, then click open. Okay, okay, now this is your 2D drawing. Okay, then I will split these drawings. Okay, this is my structural ground floor. I will split. Okay, then this is my architectural drawing set. Okay, I will select this architectural ground floor. I will split it. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, so you can isolate drawings by using these AI tools, by using this cubicle software. Okay, this is the modern technology you have to get familiar with. Okay, this is your ground floor drawing. Okay, then I will go to, I need the bottom line. Okay, I need the uh, common thing to measure all the 3D elements. Okay, common platform. So what is the common platform we have in these drawings? Our axis grid line. Okay, then I will create a predefined axis grid line within couple of seconds. Okay, pick label, select the number, then the circle, right click, auto identify. So boom, you have your axis grid line with you. Okay, then I will go to my architecture ground floor. Then I will relocate this drawing in order to align with this axis grid line. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so this axis grid line is the common platform we have. Okay, then I can go to my project settings and flow settings. Then I can change the flow heights. Okay, so I will go back to my drawing. Okay, then I will check my architectural drawing. Okay, I have to check the elevation of my architectural drawing. So as you can see, my ground floor height is 4,000. Plus flow height is 4,000. Okay, you can easily change your flow heights by using this cubicle slide beam software. You can go to project settings and flow settings. Then you can change the flow heights. This is 4 and this is 4. Okay, then all the quantities will come according to that. Okay, then I will show you how to calculate columns. Okay, so this is very easy. Okay, you can go to columns, then you can go to identify, you can click on pick sideline, then you can select the column, right click, then pick label, click the column label, right click, auto identify. So you can have all the columns with you. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, I will do this again. Okay, first you have to go to column and click on pick sideline. Okay, click on this, sorry, pick pick sideline, click on the sideline, right click, pick label, click on the label, right click, auto identify. Then you can have your columns like this. Okay, you can get the 3D view of your columns. Okay, okay, Then very easily you can go to quantities and click on calculate and quantify all the columns, okay, all the concrete quantities and all the 4 more quantities you can get within 2 seconds by using this CubiCost 5D software. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so not only columns, okay, but also you can measure walls very easily. Okay, so this is my architectural drawing. Okay, I will go to walls and click on walls. Then I will uh, click on identify. Okay, then I will go to pick masonry wall side line. Okay, first I will click on this masonry wall side line, right click. Then I will click on uh, pick doors and windows sideline, press the doors, then the windows. Then I will right click, then I will click auto identify. All the walls has been generated automatically. Okay, not only doors, but uh, not only walls, but also doors and windows. Okay, so you can generate doors and windows in a split second. Okay, so you have doors and windows schedule. Okay, you can use this AI function in order to identify doors and windows schedule uh, automatically. Okay, and just select the doors and windows schedule, right click, then all the information will be imported into software. Okay, then you can go to the drawing, then you can click on pick doors and windows label and click on label and click on auto identify. All the doors and windows will be generated automatically. Okay, so this is very important. This is the newest technological advancement available in the quantity surveying profession. Okay, not only that, but also you can measure beams. Okay, you can go to your drawing. Okay, now you are in beam, identify, pick sideline. Okay, process is same. Pick sideline, right click, pick label, right click, auto identify. All the beams will be generated. Okay, not only beam, then the slab. Okay, pick label, 2 steps, right click, identify slab. Okay, okay, all the slabs will be generated. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, not only slabs, but also you can generate finishes. So if you have a finishing schedule, you can directly get all the quantities. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, this is the technology you have to get familiar with. Okay, you have to upgrade, you have to update with the technology. Okay, this is very important. Okay, if you have the finishing schedule, so this is horizontal waterproofing, this is vertical waterproofing, so you have to select those things. This is a skirt in height. Okay, skirt in height. Okay, then click on identify. Then all the finishing elements will be identified by the software. Okay, then you can select this is, you can go to your architectural drawing. This is what? This is wet kitchen. You can go to your wet kitchen here and click on wet kitchen. All the finishing elements will be calculated automatically. Then the utility. Okay, you can put finishes. Maid's room. Okay, likewise, you can put finishes to your building. Okay, then if you want to put the finishes for this dry kitchen, you can create a separation line like this. You can create a small separation line. Then this is dry kitchen area. You can find dry kitchen from here. Then click on this. Then click on this area. Then you can get the finishing quantity for this dry kitchen area. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so you can prepare the POQ very easily by using this software. Okay, then you can see the measurement settings as well. Okay, so if you want to change your measurement settings, you can change. Okay, so this is uh these measurement settings according to the NRM2. So if you have the specific measurement rules, okay, you can change your measurement rules by using this measurement setting area. Okay, then you can change the measurement rules as well. Okay, for walls, you can click wall. Okay, measure measurement method for volume of wall. Okay, zero peak original volume. Okay, you can change these things. Okay, measurement method for volume wall, adding volume of vertical projection. Okay, uh, add volume vertical projection. If you want to put no effect, so you can go with no effect. You can change the measurement rule also. Okay, this is very important. Okay, so this is very advanced software, and this is very user friendly software. This is very easy to learn. Okay, after learning this software, you will be unstoppable, unstoppable. Okay, and after learning this software, you can spend 2 3 years. Okay, then please start a business. Okay, so this is where you have to cater as a quantity surveyor. Okay, so we have to develop our country. Okay, in order to do that, we have to give our fullest commitment. Okay, in Oman, in the UAE, in Saudi Arabia, there are a lot of British companies. Okay, and as Sri Lankans, there are a lot of leaders among us. Okay, be self-motivated and start a business. Okay, that is very important. Okay, so not only for BOQ preparation, not only for preliminary estimation, but also you can use this software for post-contract stage as well. Okay, I will show you how. Okay, I will go to this and I will click on learn in future. Then I will click on try it now and click yes. Okay, you can use this software for progress claim. Okay, this is very important. Okay, subcontract evaluation. You can use this software. Okay, think about it. Okay, this is very important. This is building information modeling. Okay, so this is a model. Okay, so I have modeled this building. Okay, now I want to measure this room for the progress claim. Okay, how to do that? I can go to the segmentation function. Then I can click on pass sign. Then if I want to measure the progress, I can click on progress claim. Then I can select the scope. Okay, if you prepare a subcontract evaluation, if you prepare interim payment application, okay, you have to select the specific building elements. No, okay, I will select for this example, I will select wall, column, beam, and finishes and slab. Okay, then I will click OK. Then I will select this scope. Okay, then if someone completed this beam apart from this row, I can go to this set associate segmentation and select this beam and right click and click on progress claim one and click OK. Okay, then this beam also considered under this progress claim. Okay, if I want to remove this beam, okay, from here, okay, I can easily go to set associate segmentation and select this beam, right click, okay, then I can click on null, then I can click OK, then I can remove this beam from this progress claim. After that, I can go to this quantity and calculate and click OK. This is very simple. And go to quantity and click here, click OK, and please set the classification quantity and click on progress claim. Under B, I can click progress claim. Then I can click OK. This is the quantity under progress claim one. Okay, this is the null quantity. Okay, you can get these two quantities separately. This is for post contract management. Okay, this is very important. Then I will show you how to conduct a variation by using this CubiCost software. Okay, this is also very important. If I go to this sample revision one and I will click on sample revision two, this is the latest probing. Then I will show you sample revision one. Okay, in this sample revision two, you can see only one beam here. Okay, if you go to this sample revision one, you can see three beams. Okay, what is the change? Three beam reduced into one beam. Okay, so you have to do this by using this cubicle software. It's very easy. Okay, first you can go to this revision, then you can go to this throw-in changes. Okay, then you can compare this sample revision 2 with sample revision 1 and click on compare. Okay, these are the beams should be deducted and this is the beam should be added. Okay, you can get that automatically by using the software. Okay, this is very important. Okay, this is very important. Okay, then after that it's very simple. Okay, you can go to add revision and click OK. Then you can calculate and click OK. Then click OK again. Then you can go to beam and click on beam. You can delete these three beams very easily. Okay, then you can select a beam and you can draw a beam like this. Okay, then right click, then you can finish revision and click OK and click OK again. Then you can see the additions and omissions separately. Okay, view change quantity, click here, click OK. So this is the quantity before, this is the quantity after, this is the change, these are the changes. You can get that automatically. Okay, time will be saved. Okay, so you can understand this very easily from this example. Before it was 21 columns, then I have deducted 3 columns, then it reduced to 18, then I have add 1 column, then now quantity is 19. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, this is what you have learned. Okay, this software can be used in pre-contract stage and post-contract stage. Okay, this is like a combination of all other software. Okay, so if you want to measure uh, area, you can go here and you can measure the area. If you want to count function, count elements, you can count. Okay, okay, we use plan shift software to count, then measure area, and we use plan shift software to measure length. Okay, you can do all these things by using this cubicle software. Okay, not only these things, so you can create custom elements as well. If you want to have a custom volume, you can click on this custom area and click on this custom area, then you can give a height. Okay, I will give 300 and I will create this element. Okay, so you can create elements like this. Okay, so this is manual quantification. You can click this and right click, then calculate selected density. Okay, and if you go to quantity and click on view quantity, you can get the quantity very easily. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, this is the modern technology you have to learn. Okay, so if you have any question with regards to this PA software, you can ask. Okay, then I will show you the ERB software. Okay, I will quickly do these things. Okay, get a very good understanding about this. Okay, this is a very practical session. Okay, I will not waste your time explaining theories. Okay, theories for universities and technical colleges. Okay, and in if you want to have industrial practice, so you have to learn about the practicality. Okay, think about it, this is very important. Okay, now this is TRB software, reinforcement software. So Eshan explained a little bit about this reinforcement software. Okay, I will show you one example, then you can get a very good understanding about this reinforcement software. This is uh, actually this is the most advanced reinforcement measurement software available in the world. Okay, no doubt about that. Okay, you can get the comprehensive 3D model of your reinforcement arrangement. Then in 1 second, you can get the bar schedule. Okay, so that is the technology you have to get familiar with. Okay, this is very important. Okay, I will close this PA software, then I will open the TRB software. Okay, now time is 9 in Oman. Okay, so we spent 1 hour. Okay, I think you won't realize that 1 hour. Okay, so lot of information filled in your brain. Okay, this is very important. This is a game changing content. Okay, please observe very carefully. Okay, you can see the three this because the TRB software. I will go to identify, then I will go to drawing manager and click on add. Okay, then I will go to this new folder and click on Output Community Drawing. Then I will select these two drawings, structure, layout pan, and column detail. Then I will click open. Then first I will go to this column, drawing, column schedule. Okay, then I will show you the column schedule. Okay, now I'm going to measure this particular column. Okay, you can see main reinforcement 60 16, 6 main bars. Our diameter is 16. Okay, so we have links R6 at 175. Okay, between gap between two syrups is 175, and we have one hook. Okay, so we have to create a 3D model of this. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, I will double click on the drawing. Okay, this is my C1. Okay, this is my C1. Okay, I want to create this C1. Okay, again I will double click here. Okay, I want to see the dimensions 450 and 200. Okay. Again, I will double click here. Okay. It's very important. I will go to column, then I will click new. I will get rectangular column and double click on that. I will rename this column as C1. Okay. Sectional width. Sectional width is 450. Sectional height 200. Main bus 6016. 6016. Okay. Links R6 at 175. R6 at 175. Legs 3 by 2. Legs 3 by 2. Okay. 3 by 2. Okay. Then this is the reinforcement arrangement. Okay. Double click on this and put your column here. Okay. Put your column here. Then right click. Then see the 3D view. This is the 3D view. If you go to quantity and click select and click this particular column and click on three rebar. So first you have to calculate. Okay. First you can click on this and click on calculate. Okay. You can calculate the selected density, then click on this and click on rebar 3D. You can see the 3D view of this reinforcement. Okay. Then it's split within a split seconds. You can get the bar schedule. Okay. So this is very important. Okay. As quantity surveys, we struggle a lot to prepare this bar schedule. Okay, we create Excel sheets and we import shapes. Sometimes we have to draw the shapes. Okay, lot of errors. Okay, think about this. This is the modern technology you have to get familiar with. So this is TRP software. Then I will introduce you our MEP solution. Okay, MEP solution is much more interesting than this TRP software. Okay, MEP software, TME software, the newborn baby of clothing family. Okay, newborn baby of clothing family, TME software. I will show you the efficiency of this TME software. Okay, this is the MEP solution. Okay, now uh, ICC International Construction Consortium expand their business in Saudi Arabian region. Okay, do you know? And Sunken they also expand their business in Maldives, Seychelles. What is the reason behind that? Technology. What happened to Maga and Sudave brothers and Sunken Construction? Okay, they didn't adapt with the technology. Okay, correct me if I am wrong. Okay, they didn't adapt. Okay, if you want to, as individuals also. Okay, okay, see what happened to companies. Okay, what will happen to individuals if you don't adapt with these digital technologies? Okay, you will not have a fit. Okay, I'm pretty sure about that. Okay, please learn coding. Please learn about artificial intelligence. There are a lot of AI tools available in the world, chat GTP and many other tools. Okay, graphic tools, many other tools. Okay, so I'm doing some research on that as well. Okay, how to do contract administration by using these AI tools. Okay, if someone find the answer for that, okay, then what will happen? Okay, so we have to be self-motivated and we have to get familiar with these technologies. Okay, AI can't replace a human being. Okay, but we have to use AI as a tool. Okay, if you don't have the ability to do that, you can't survive. Okay, think about those kind of things. Okay, now I will go to this drawing manager. Then I will import this HUMC drawing. Okay, now I will show you a small thing. Okay, if you want to measure this duct system, how to do it? Okay, first of all, I will scale this drawing. I will check the scale of this drawing. Okay, I will click on this scale function, quantity function. Okay, I will click on scale drawing. Then I will select the drawing, right click. Okay, here to here. Okay, the scale is correct. Now I will show you how to measure this duct system. Okay, how to measure this duct system. It is very simple. You can go to this air conditioning and mechanical ventilation. You can go to air duct. Okay, then you can click on new rectangle air duct. Okay, then air duct system identify. Okay, click this, click this, click this, right click OK. All the ducts will be quantified automatically. Okay. Not only these ducts, but also duct fittings. Okay. If you click on auto identify duct fittings and click right click, then you can get duct fittings as well. Okay. Then if you go to quantities and click on calculation, you can calculate everything in few seconds. Then view quantity, view quantity by category. You can get all the quantities very easily. Okay. This is very important. Okay. So this is MEP software. You can measure plumbing, you can measure HVAC, you can measure electrical elements, you can measure many things by using this EME software. So have a basic idea about this. Okay. After modeling this, you can get a 3D view of your measurement. Okay. Everything you can see here. Okay. That this is very important. Okay. This is the future of quantity surveying. Okay. This is the technology you have to get familiar with. Okay. So Gordon has introduced their English version in 2017. Okay, now slowly and solidly industry adapting to this technology, and I'm pretty sure a lot of companies already using this key because of they in Saudi Arabia. Okay, this will be popular among a lot of companies. Okay, companies like WT Partnership, Subhana Charon, then uh, Setia, Skyworld, okay, of companies already using this key because of their in Australia and other Asian countries. Uh, in UAE, Samsung Construction and Technology use this cubicle software, and lot other companies using this cubicle software. And Sri Lanka, almost all the companies using this cubicle software, main companies. Okay, so this is very important. This is very, very important. Okay, think about this. So this is about EME software. Okay. So if you have any question, please feel free to ask. Okay. So we spent 1 hour and 9 minutes. Okay. Time went, but I think you didn't realize that. Okay. So this is very, very interesting. Okay. So some people find this quantity surveying profession as very boring profession. So we have to deal with numbers and figures every day. Then we have to deal with 2D drawings, and this is very boring. So some people think like that. Okay, but with this technology, okay, you can get a 3D view of your quantities. You can understand your quantity. Okay, then you can measure your quantity. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, this is the technology you have to get familiar with. Okay, so I will do a small theoretical part at the end. Okay, then this is also very important because you have to get the theoretical understanding about building information modeling as well. Okay, so think about this. Okay, if you want to become a contract administrator, okay, please learn BIM protocol. Okay, so we have forms of contract. We have SPD2, we have uh, this FIDIC. Okay, we have a lot of forms of contract. Okay, uh, BIM protocol is the form of contract for BIM governed project. If you want to become a future contract administrator, learn about BIM protocol. Mark my word today and learn it. Okay, that's it. Then learn about BIM execution planning. Okay, I will explain all those things in during this lecture series. Apart from that, I will explain about LinkedIn profile preparation. Okay, how to create a CV, how to market yourself, how to go for foreign industries. Okay, I have already conduct some sessions with regard to foreign migration because I have trained a lot of quantity surveys in Australia and New Zealand. Uh, Now of some of my students working as quantity surveys into UK as well. Okay, some students in Canada. Okay, so uh, I'm talking to them, then I can share some insights with you. Okay, so then you can find jobs in those countries. Okay, then you can develop yourself and you can start businesses. Okay, then it will change your future. Okay, so I will share some theories. Okay, these things are very important. Okay, so this is my theoretical slide. Okay, this is not boring. Okay, I will explain these things in a comprehensive manner. Okay, these things are not boring. Okay, I haven't, yes, can share my screen. I will put this in my second screen and enlarge this. Then, yes, okay. Then I will share my second screen. Okay, I have a couple of screens. Okay. Can you see my screen? You can put a yes message. Yes, I think you can see my screen. Okay, I will enlarge this. Okay. The content. First, I will discuss about digitalization, then digitalization in construction. Okay, I will explain these things very quickly. Okay, I won't waste your valuable time. Okay, I will explain these theories in a simple manner. Okay, then you can understand them very clearly. Okay, then this is also very important. These are theoretical things. Okay, these things also very important. And then I will explain you about building information modeling. Okay, then after that, dimensions of beam, then digital twine, then concepts of beam, roles of beam professionals. Okay, I will explain all those things. Then example for digital transformation. Okay, this is very important. Okay, if I explain this by using a theoretical phrase, you won't understand this. Okay, I will show you some examples. Okay, then this concept will go to your blood. Okay, example for digital transformation, banking. Okay, so you have experience with this. You have mobile banking. So you go to ATM machine and get the money from that ATM machine. Okay, so that is the digitalization with related to banking industry. Okay, you experience. So you guys experience that thing in your day-to-day life. Then socializing. Okay, Facebook, WhatsApp, Snapchat, Instagram, lot of social media elements available in the world. Okay, so socializing also now fully digitalized. Okay, please watch a movie called Social Dilemma. Okay, then you will definitely get rid of this useless social media platforms. Okay, those things are useless. Okay, think about it. Then transportation. Okay, if you go to country like China, Japan, or Singapore, you can experience digitalization in transportation. Then retail industry. If you go to a shop, okay, so you scan a barcode, then you can pay money by using your ATM card. Okay, so retail industry also fully digitalized now. Then the construction industry, our industry. Okay, as quantity surveys, as construction professionals, so we have huge responsibility. Okay, we have to adapt to these digital technologies, and then we can contribute to our construction industry. This is very, very important. Okay, so I will explain a little bit about digital building. Okay, you can see physical building and digital building. Okay, first, I will explain about the physical building. Okay, in physical scenario, architects and other stakeholders get together and design the building first. Okay, then you conduct the pre-contract activities. Okay, pre-qualification, then tendering. Okay, you do all those things. Then after that, you will start the construction in a physical scenario. Okay, so there are project managers and planning engineers, quantity surveyors, and other construction professionals all together. They will do the construction. Then after that, after creating the building, they will do the maintenance part. So that is the physical building. Okay, then what is the virtual building? So you can create a virtual replica of a physical asset in the computer based system. Okay, so in that you can do collaborative design. So building information modeling is the best example. All the stakeholders can get together in a virtual platform, and they can discuss about the design in the virtual platform, and they can share all the design ideas in that virtual platform. Then you can do the virtual pre-construction. Best example is the e-tendering. Then you can do the virtual construction. So best example is you can create a construction program, and you can create a 3D model. Okay, then you can synchronize the 3D model with the construction program. Then you can simulate your 3D model. Okay, so that is the virtual construction. Then you can do the virtual maintenance as well. Okay, digital twine is the best example for that. Okay, you can do the virtual maintenance. So then what is the connection between this physical building and virtual building? Okay, so you can use this virtual building in order to take important decisions about this physical building. Okay, so that is the connection between this physical building and virtual building. You can create a 3D model. When it comes to the 5D beam, you can create a 3D model and you can calculate the cost. Okay, then you can forecast the cost, then you can minimize the risk. Okay, think about those kind of things. Okay, those are very good research areas as well. According to McKinsey 2015, construction industry is the lowest digitalized sector. Okay, then overall growth of construction is 1% per year. It's very low. As construction professionals, we have to contribute for that. Construction is the most collaborative and most fragmented area, uh, most fragmented industry. Okay, as construction professionals, we have to contribute in order to increase the efficiency and effectiveness of our industry. Okay, what are the technologies available in the construction industry? Virtual reality. Okay, now we are going to this digital era. Okay, Facebook company introduced this concept, this metaverse concept. Okay, so uh, now in future there will be no Facebook. Okay, so we can uh, wear these virtual glasses, and we can enter into the metaverse, and we can act as digital people. Okay, so it's very, very important. Okay, then augmented reality, the difference between virtual reality and augmented reality. So you can create a virtual building on top of a physical asset by using this augmented reality. Okay, physical and virtual come together in this augmented reality. So what is the artificial intelligence? So this is very important. In this example, you can see you I will explain this example. You can run a drone on top of this construction site, and you can capture some images. If you use artificial intelligence, you can identify people who are not wearing safety helmets. Okay, so that is a practical application of this artificial intelligence. Then smart wearables, you can monitor fatigue, you can prevent microsleep, you can detect collisions from this smart hat. Okay, there are a lot of smart wearables also available in the construction industry. What is the 3D printing? You can create a precast elements by using this 3D printing element. Okay, so in China, this is very popular. Then what is the robotic technology? So you can use robot to do construction instead of human. Okay, you can use brick lane robots, tile lane robots. There are a lot of robots available in the construction industry. Lorden also provides some robotic solutions for the construction industry. And drone technology. So in Sri Lanka, a lot of people use this drone technology for wedding photography and traveling, no? But you can use this drone technology in construction as well. You can monitor the progress. Even you can use those images and create 3D models. Okay, so this is also very important. Then the building information modeling. So you are going to learn this building information modeling. I think this will change your life. Then what is BIM? Building information modeling. So this is a boring theory. Building information modeling is an intelligent 3D based process that gives architect, engineering, and construction AEC professionals, we know, insights and tools to plan, design, construct, and manage building and infrastructure efficiently. Okay, so in this theory, you have to concentrate about three things. Okay, first thing is this is a 3D model based uh, thing. Okay, then what is the second thing? AEC professionals involving in this process. Okay, what is the third thing? You can do plan, design, construct, and manage by using this concept. Okay, so please remember these three things, those three things. Okay, it will be enough. Okay, when you memorize the theory, okay, when you memorize a theory, don't uh, what do you call in Sinhala we uh, say it as a katapadam karna. Okay, don't memorize it as it is. Okay, understand that concept. Okay, then you will remember it forever. Okay, just remember those three things: 3D model base, AEC professionals. This will use to plan, design, and construct. Okay, you can face for any exam. Okay, so building information modeling has five base dimensions: 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D, 6D, and 7D. Okay, so I have created this presentation by using interesting technology called Prezi. Okay, if I click on this, this will zoom and you can see the video. Okay, so this is 3D beam. 3D beam means information management uh, and information sharing of a 3D model. Okay, 3D model based information sharing is 3D beam. Okay, it is very important. Then I will explain about 4D beam. What is 4D beam? Okay, as you can see in this picture, uh, this is you can see this is construction timeline. Okay, and this is the 3D model. Okay, by using some softwares, as example, you can say Naviswork. Okay, you can use Navisworks or Excel Manager or Synchro Pro. Then you can synchronize your 3D model with your construction program. Okay, you can see the timeline going like this. Okay, then according to timeline, this you can see the 3D model. Okay, this 3D model constructing. So this is the 4D beam. Okay, time plus 3D is 4D. Okay, then what is 5D? 5D beam is very important. Sit back, relax, and watch. Okay, you can watch the full video of this. Okay, I will share this with sound. This is our area, 5D beam. Okay, you can watch the video and get the idea.
Just imagine, each of your projects could be automatically taken off. Each of your quantity reports could be intelligently generated. Each quantity of your BQ could be traced back to your source. Check is so easy and clear that you could view them directly without any redundant calculation. We present you CubiCost. With CubiCost, you could obtain dimensions on drawings intelligently and generate BIM models accordingly. You could possess multiple standard methods of measurement around the world. Through the combination of built-in measurement rules and 3D models, you could calculate the quantities automatically. Instead of repeated manual quantity takeoff, you could obtain the quantities rapidly with just a few steps. In addition, CubiCost provides present report formats that you use most frequently and fill data in them automatically. Thus, you no longer need to copy or compile the complicated Excel formulas. Meanwhile, you could customize the required report formats on your own. After you fill quantities in BQ, CubiCost could help you interconnect BQ, quantities, and BIM models. You could easily find out where each quantity item in BQ is from and where it goes. This is CubiCost Takeoff Solution, your intelligent, visual, and interconnected whole process takeoff solution.
Okay, so this is 5D beam. So you are going to learn this 5D beam. Then 6D beam. This is a sustainable plus 3D model.
A
So you
clean,
can
prosperous, and secure energy future, or climate.
So you can create a 3D model and then you can use that 3D model for sustainable development. This example is you can use the Revit software and create an energy model. Then you can reduce the energy consumption of your building by using lot of design tools. Okay, so it is very important. 6D means sustainability plus building information modeling. Then 7D beam, 7D beam related to facility management and building information modeling. This is also a very important area. So after the construction, you have to do facility management. So this is related to that. Okay, this is very important for your future. Okay, now theory is enough. Okay, enough theories now. Okay, now I will uh, explain you some important things related to your future. Okay, so after this I will conclude today's session. This is very important. Okay, so this is the most important part of this session. Okay, please understand this. Okay, you can see my slide set. Okay, future of quantity surveyor. This is very important. Okay, so please uh, learn this and motivate from this slide. Okay, so then you can go for the future. Okay, you can see future of quantity survey. As quantity survey, we have to be futuristic. I will click on this slide. You can see this is the metaverse. This is the concept introduced by Facebook company. Okay, future quantity surveys will measure virtual buildings in metaverse. Okay, so if you interested in this, you can learn NFT and lot of augmented reality functions. Okay, so this is the future. Okay, so we have to be prepared for that. And this is the line project. Okay, definitely in this line project they definitely use building information modeling. Okay, therefore if you want to have opportunities in this line project, you have to learn this building information modeling. And this is the ring project in Dubai. Okay, they will use building information modeling for this. And Australia already using building information modeling for their construction. Okay, if you want to migrate to Australia, then there will be a lot of opportunities in this Australian Olympics. Okay, now they have started their construction. Then there will be lot of opportunities in Australia. So think about it. Okay, so they will use building information modeling and the port city project, as Eshan explained. Okay, now they have been using this building information modeling for this port city project as well. Okay, so think about it. Okay, personally I know. Okay, in airport project there was a beam team from Thai Say company. Okay, so why we can't get that opportunity as Sri Lankans? Okay, from Thailand separate beam team came to Sri Lanka and work as beam coordinators and beam managers. Okay, why can't we produce beam managers from Sri Lanka? So we have to think about that. Then you have to uh, think out of the frame and you have to be mindful. Okay, so I'm big fan of mindfulness and Eastern meditation. So as quantity surveys, we have to promote these mindfulness technology techniques among quantity surveys. Okay, so it will be very, very important for them. And you have to think out of the box. Okay, you have to think about businesses. Okay, don't just uh, do a job, get told and die. Start a business, have a life, achieve your dreams. So then you have to engage with new technologies. Okay, you can see this is uh, building management system, BMS. Okay, you can see robotic technologies here. As quantity service, we have to learn coding. Okay, if you go to DP education, you can learn coding for free. Okay, so I have created website, my own website. So why can't you? Okay, then as quantity surveys, you have to learn these digital software. There are a lot of software available in world: ArchiCAD, Revit, SketchUp, Bluebeam, then Costex, because learn these softwares. These softwares will be very, very important. Then in this financial crisis, lot of people lost their job. Okay, so what is the solution? Okay, these are the solutions: Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer. Okay, can you imagine this one? So this is one of my students' work. Okay, a student from University of Morocco, Tulshan Costa. Okay, I assigned him to do this, and now he done this, and now I have a separate project for this. So I'm going to train Sri Lankan construction professionals, especially quantity surveyors, get out from technical colleges. Okay, I will train them with this SketchUp software for very small fee. Okay, then I will reinvest that fee for betterment of those quantity surveys. Okay, because I want them to learn this. Okay, then I will uh, organize a modeling competition among them. Then I will spread that earning among them. Okay, so this is a important project. Okay, I think with this project, I can bring some dollars to Sri Lanka. Okay, so if you are a quantity survey, think about this. Okay, you have to overcome professional boundaries. Okay, don't stick to quantity surveying. Okay, please think about these things. Okay, you can easily earn money from Fiverr. Okay, it's very easy. Then you lot of quantity surveys have talent. Okay, have capacity, have a skill, but they don't know how to market their skill. You have to learn LinkedIn. So this is a separate subject. Okay, lot of quantity surveys obtain job jobs because of this LinkedIn. Okay, have a proper LinkedIn profile. So I have done separate sessions for this LinkedIn. You can go to my YouTube channel and you can watch those videos. Then you can get a very good understanding about the importance of LinkedIn. Then you have to create a proper CV. So today I gave you one insight. Instead of this PDF CV, create a resume website. Okay, then you can easily go for a job. Then you have to improve your communication skill as Sri Lankan content service. So this is area we have to improve. Okay, so we have to improve our English speaking ability. Okay, if you want to migrate into Australia, New Zealand, Canada, UK, you have to have a proper speaking ability. Okay, if you want to improve your English speaking ability, you have to join for IQSSL Toastmaster Club as content service. Okay, if you're willing to join, you can contact me. I am the uh, vice president membership. You can message me, then I will make you join for this IQSSL Toastmaster Club. Okay, that's it. Okay. If you have any question, please feel free to ask. Okay. So I have spent 1.5 hours with you and I have given you lot of knowledge. Okay. I spoke like a parrot. Okay. I didn't disturb at once. So please think about this. If you have any question, please feel free to ask now. Are you guiding to download and install the software today? No, I will do it probably uh, next week. First, I have to assign you the software. Okay, so then I will guide you. If you have any question, please feel free to ask. Okay, one person asked me question via WhatsApp. Okay, yes, please ask questions now. Okay, then only you can get some further idea about this program. Get further idea about this program. ඕකේ ඔයාලට ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා නම් සිංහලෙන් උනත් අහන්න පුළුවන්. එතකොට ඔයාලට ක්ලැරිෆයි කරගන්න පුළුවන්. හරි. බය වෙන්න එපා. ප්‍රශ්න අහන්න. හරි. මේක තමයි ටෙක්නොලොජි එක. හරි. මගේ ගොඩක් කොස්ටෙක්ස් ප්ලෑන්ස් විත් බ්ලූබීම් වල ස්ටුඩන්ට්ස්ලා ඉන්නවා මේ සෙෂන් එකේ. හරි. දැන් ඔයාලට තේරෙනවා නේද? මේ සොෆ්ට්වෙයාර්ස් උන්ට වඩා මේක කොච්චර ඇඩ්වාන්ස්ද කියලා. හරි. ඒක මාරු සොෆ්ට්වෙයාර් එක. හරි. When are you going to start this course? Okay, I started today itself. Okay, so this is the introductory part. Okay, then I will do the interactive. I will start the interactive training from next week onwards. So next Friday, I will do the first session. Okay, so before that, you have to make the payment and confirm your participation. Okay, you can send slip via WhatsApp. Okay, then you can confirm your participation. I have trained a lot of quantity surveys with regards to this software. A lot of chartered quantity surveys. When I have trained the quantity surveys like chartered quantity survey, Paman Vikumnath, chartered quantity survey, Mr. Pradeep Susantha, then Kalum Priyankara, then Asanka Rajavira, lot of chartered accountants have been to Dubai. I have trained Mr. Sujiva Vijayvikram, Dr. Sujiva Vijayvikram, and then Mr. Uh, I think you know Mr. Chanaka De Silva. Okay, lot of country service. Mr. Manoj, then lot of cases. Some I can't remember. Miss Sanjay Kodituaku from Land Anderson. Okay, and yeah, lot of country service. In previous class also, Mr. Samira Pereira, the country manager of CubeCost Saudi. You know him. Okay, he was my student from previous class. Okay, why those chartered quantity surveys and company leaders learn this software? What is the reason? What do you think? Okay. දැනට AutoCAD වලින් කරලා තියෙන ප්‍රොජෙක්ට් වලට මේක යූස් කරන්න පුළුවන්ද? පුළුවන්. මම කරලා පෙන්නන්නේ. ඒ කියන්නේ AutoCAD drawing එකකින් තියෙන එකක් මේකට import කරලා අපිට 3D model එක generate කරන්න පුළුවන්. AutoCAD විතරක් නෙමෙයි. ඔයාලට JPG drawing එකක් තිබ්බත් PDF drawing එකක් තිබ්බත් ඔයාලට import කරලා ඔයාලට measure කරන්න පුළුවන්. ACM. හරි. okay. හරි. ඔයාලා බය වෙන්න එපා. ඔයාලගේ 1 මිනිත්තුවක්වත් මම මේ session වලදී නාස්ති කරන්නේ නැහැ. හරි. තිත්තටම ඔක්කොම software උගන්වනවා. හරි. අර යෂාන් අකලංක ඔයාලට explain කරා වගේ. හරි. ඒ යෂාන් CubiCost එකට join වෙන එයා second year student කෙනෙක් ඉතින් අවුරුදු 23ක් වගේ. හරි. බලන්න එයා කොච්චර දුර ගිහිල්ලා තියෙනවද කියලා. හරි. ඒක නිසා කිසිම දෙයකට බය වෙන්න එපා. ඔයාලට top knowledge එකක් වෙනවා මේකේ. හරි. Okay, guys. Then I will give you another couple of minutes for your actions. Then I will conclude this lecture. Okay. So you can go through my testimonials and you can go through my. So I will show you recent success of my students. Okay. This slide you can see. Okay. This is Mr. Pasan Hapuarachi. Got his job in China Railway recently based on his massive knowledge and CubiCost knowledge. And this is Mr. Dilchan Velikalage got his job recently. One of my students from CubiCost 5 batch. And this is Mr. Nalin Ranasinghe. Got job in Marshall, Marahel. Then Mr. Johan Munasinghe. So these guys got their jobs recently. Okay. So there are a lot of testimonials. You can go to LinkedIn and you can see all my testimonials. You can talk to my previous students. Then you can get a good idea. We will get the recorded videos here. You can get recorded videos, pre-recording videos as well. Okay. I will explain the process. Okay. So you will get the pre-recorded videos as well because when you miss a class, okay, you have to go through the recording. No. Okay. If you go through the recording, you have to spend 2.5 hours in front of your computer. Okay. Then you have to work with your software as well. Okay. Then you will spend 5 hours in front of your computer. 5 hours, maybe 3.5, 4 hours. Okay. Utter waste of time. Okay. Because of that, I have introduced this pre-recorded video system. Okay, so I will provide you the pre-recorded videos. Then you can revise your memory within 15 minutes. Okay, so this is very modern course. You can learn a lot. Do we have lectures on Monday? Yeah, lot of people ask me that they need a little bit time to do their payments. Okay, then it depends. Okay, so I have extended that payment date to Monday. Okay, then next Friday we will have the class. Okay. Within next week I will arrange you the software. Okay, then I will provide you LMS access as well. Okay, I will share all the drawings and specifications with you. Okay. Okay, guys, now it is 9:41. Okay, it's very late. Okay, so now it's time to sleep for you. Okay, not me. Okay, guys. Cheers. I hope you enjoyed this session. Okay, I also enjoyed the video. If you have any question, any question, feedback, you can ask. Okay. So I think you'll do some points with this technology. Okay. Then you can become a training survey. Okay. So that is the perfect. Okay. So guys, measure okay. Have a good night and okay guys, good night and have a wonderful weekend.